Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to edit message in Messenger. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe. So I have in here this. So let's try to message this person. I have sent her a hi. So if you want to edit the message that you've sent, you just need to head over and then long press it, and then click on more. And then in here you can see this option for edit. Click on edit right here, and for example, let's change it into hello. Then as you can see, it's been edited and it's been changed. You can also see in here an edit that option or edit that label just above the message that you have just edited. So take note that you can only do this on the recently sent messages. So for example, this message on April, if you try to edit it out, you click on more, and as you can see, there is no more edit option. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.